Welcome to the magical shape world. Look at the colorful shapes floating everywhere. Let's learn and play together. Here comes the happy circle. Round and round it loves to roll. The circle spins and bounces with joy. Meet the dancing square. The square moves side to side. Clap your hands and dance along. Look at the triangle jump so high. Up into the rainbow sky. What a happy triangle. Say hello to the rectangle. Tall and long, it waves with a smile. Rectangles can look like doors and windows. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly in the night sky. The star sparkles beautifully for everyone. Here comes the silly oval, rolling and giggling through the park. The oval loves to play all day.